Hello everyone. So now we're moving on to chapter 3 of your Rhino, which is called Creating Geometry. And we will be visiting with drawing lines. The line, lines, and polyline commands draw straight lines. The line command draws a single line segment. The line command draws multiple end-to-end line segments. And lastly, the polyline command draws a series of straight or arc join segments. In other words, an example, if you will, is a single linear curve with multiple segments. Some of the options that you have are close. It closes the shape by drawing a segment from the last point picked to the first point picked, and this essentially ends the command. And then you also have undo, which deletes the last point that you picked. So let's go ahead and get started. And we will be creating this model from scratch. We don't have an auxiliary model to work with. And to do that, you're going to go to File, New, and this time you're going to select Small Object Millimeters, which is towards the bottom. Open. Now, to draw line segments, from the curve menu, click Line and then click Line Segments to begin the line command. And you'll notice the command has started in the command bar. Now I would like for you to pick a point in a viewport. Pick another point in a viewport. And you'll see that a line segment appears between the 2 points. Continue to pick points. I'm going to turn off ortho so I can have a line at an angle, a line that is not forced into 90-degree increments. One more line, one more click, in other words. And then press Enter to end the command. And keep in mind that your right mouse button will also work as Enter in Rhino. And notice that the segments meet at a common point, but they are not joined. To use the close option, we are going to repeat the lines command, and we're going to pick a start point and 3 or more points. I'm going to make this one similar to the exterior shape. And this time, click Close on the command line. This is one of the clickable options discussed in the previous chapter. The last line segment will end at the original start. Now we're going to draw a polyline. Use the undo command to undo the segments you just created. The shortcut keys for undo are Ctrl-Z. Now from the curve menu, click Polyline, and then click Polyline again to begin the polyline command. Pick a start point and 3 or 4 more points. I'm going to repeat a similar shape that I had going on before. And press Enter when done. This makes an open polyline. A polyline is made of line segments that are joined together. It is one object. To use the undo option, repeat the polyline command. Pick a start point and pick 3 or 4 more points. Now click Undo in the command line. And you'll notice that your cursor moves back to the previous point and one segment of the polyline has been removed. Continue to pick points and click Close in the command line to end the command. This makes a closed polyline. Now, to draw a single line segment, from the curve menu, click Line and then click Single Line. Pick a start point and then pick an end point. The command ends after just one line segment is drawn. Now, to use the Both Sides option, from the curve menu, click Line, and then click Single Line to begin the line command. Now, in your command bar, click Both Sides. Pick a middle point and pick an end point. You'll notice a small segment is drawn with equal length on both sides of the middle point. And that concludes drawing lines.